Good morning. So today's lesson, we will cover exercise 5.2, question number 567, continuation from last week's online lesson. Okay, so it's still under similarity. Okay, let's look at question number 5, right? So in the figure, DE parallel with FG, parallel with BC. Okay, it's already mentioned in this diagram. Okay, everything is already mentioned in this diagram here. Okay, you can read the question by yourself. And then part A, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so triangle ABC is this one, the yellow one, and then triangle ABC is this, the big one. Okay, so to show that they are similar, okay, under similarity there are three possibilities that we can state the reason. Is either SSS, angle, 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 and SAS. Now let's recall back. So in this diagram, okay, so side, we are not given all the sides. Okay, we are given 4 here, X and 2, but we are given Y, X. There are unknowns there. So what we can see here, side is not in the list. Okay, so let's look at the AAA. Okay, so they are not giving you any angle, specifically any angles, right? But they do tells you the parallel lines here. So what can we tell from this diagram is that there are corresponding angles over here. Okay, this angle, okay, the pink one, with this angle over here will be the same, and this one is the same thing. Okay, these three angles are the same because they call corresponding angles, right? And on the other hand, this angle, these three angles over here is also the same. These three angles are the same because of the corresponding angles. Okay, so we have two angles, the pairing of the angles are the same, so the third one confirm the same. Okay, and this third one here over here is same because of the common angle. Okay, so we can use angle, angle, angle instead of this side, angle, side. Okay, so to show that they are similar, okay, to not confuse you can draw these two triangles separately if you want to. Okay, let's say if I draw this separately, ADE with ABC. Okay, so AB is 4 plus 2 plus X, so it's 6 plus X basically, and this one is 6. Okay, the pink one. Okay, the pink one, look at the pink triangle. And the other triangle, the yellow triangle over here, okay, if we label them, this will be 4 and this is 2 over 3. Okay, so let's find out write down the reason for the angle. Okay, so the first angle here, actually it's the same thing, I just draw it again one more time. Okay, these two angles same, and this one is called common angle. Okay, so to state they are similar, so first we state about the angle. Okay, so the pink one first, the angle of ADE is equals to the angle of ABC. Okay, and the reason is corresponding angles. Okay, I'm going to move the triangle to the other side. Okay, corresponding angles. So the second angle is the blue one. Okay, the blue one will be angle of AED equals to angle of ACB. This one is, we call it corresponding angle as well. Okay, we learned this in year 8 already. Okay, and then the third one, the purple one. So the angle of DAE is equals to the angle of BAC because of common angles or shared angles. Okay, it's the same. So we have all the A. So these are the reason. Therefore, 3 dots. Therefore, triangle of ADE is similar to triangle of ABC. Okay, that's how we state the reason. Okay, part B. Name another pair of similar triangles in the figure. Okay, so besides the yellow and the light pink triangles, there's one more triangle here. Okay, I will draw it with the red color one, this one. Okay, which is A, F, G. Okay, so you can either write another pair. Okay, one you can write triangle of ADE. Name another pair of similar triangles. So ADE is similar with triangle of AFG. You can write this, or you can write triangle of AFG is similar to triangle of the big one, the light pink one, ABC. Okay, you can either write this one or this one. Okay, now so part C. Find the values of x and y. So I draw these two triangles already. Okay, I draw these two triangles already. The light pink, yellow, and of course the other one is the red one. Okay, the red one is A, F, G. Okay, and when we label, this is y, this is 4 plus x. Okay, A until F is 4 with x, so it's 4 plus x, not 4x. Okay, so when we compare, okay, we compare the side with the side, the ratio of the sides. Okay, three pairs of ratio sides. Okay, so first, okay, if we want to find the x, okay, we can compare this one and this one. Okay, so from here we can find AB first, AB, or we can straight away actually find AD. Okay, AD we compare with AB, and it's equals to DE over BC. Okay, so we compare this one, and the other one will be this and this. Okay, and this one and this one. Other one. Okay, AE and AC we cannot compare because we are not given any value there. Okay, so AD is 4. Okay, AB is 6 plus x. Okay, 6 plus x. And then it's equals to 2 over 3 over 6. Okay, maybe you can pause and give yourself some time to figure it out. Okay, then we can cross multiply here. Okay, I will continue writing over here. Okay, so when we cross multiply, 2 over 3 times with 6 plus x equals to 6 times 4. Okay, so this one we can change to improper fraction. And 6 plus x equals to 24. Okay, and then this 3 move the other side, become times. So 6 plus x equals to 24 times 3, and then this 8 also can move to the other side, become divide. So 6 plus x equals to 24 times 3 over 8. Okay, you can simplify this. So it's 9. So 6 plus x equals to 9, and your x is 9 minus 6, which is 3. Okay, you can pause this video and try to figure out yourself on how to find the 3. Okay, no need to copy every single step of mine. You can try to do it by your own. Do it on your own step. Okay, so I found my x. Now I can find my y. Okay, so since x here is 3, okay, so we are using the other pair of triangle. Okay, this triangle over here, since our x here is 3, so this is 3, so AF is 7. Okay, A to F is 7. So now I can compare. Okay, I can compare this one, AF, which is 7. Okay, I can choose this triangle also can, or the other triangle also can. Okay, let's say I choose this one. Okay, since my x here is 3, I will figure I can figure this out as in 6 plus 3, and it's 9. So AB is 9. Okay, I will use these two triangles. Okay, these two triangles over here, this and this. Okay, so I will use AB over the side of ratio compare, AB over AF equals to BC over FG. Okay, this side is from here, and the side here is from this triangle. Okay, then I substitute the value. Okay, so AB is 9, AF is 7, my BC is 6 and FG is Y. So I can find my Y over here, right? Okay, so Y is equals to 7 times 6 over 9. Okay, then I simplify, which is 14 over 3, and it's 4, 2 over 3 in mixed number. So your Y is this answer over here. Okay, alright, that's for question number 5. Right, okay, let's do number 6. So in the figure, okay, AF, BE, CD are parallel lines. Okay, and everything is on the diagram already. And part A, name a triangle that is similar to ACF. Okay, the one that is similar to ACF here. Okay, this is the triangle of ACF. Okay, and state the reason for the similarity. Okay, can you figure this out? Okay, or if you have any in your mind now, what do you think? The triangle of ACF, which triangle is similar to that? Okay, so the answer is this over here. Okay, why? Because you see this is the parallel line here. They are that's already given. They already given you both parallel lines, so it's obviously similarity because of angle and angle same, corresponding angle, and this one same, is equal, and there's another one over here that is common angle. Okay, that's how we state the reason. Okay, so when we write down the triangle that is similar to ACF is BCE. The order important, okay? The triangle of BCE is similar to triangle of ACF. Okay, so ACF, okay, similar with BCE. Okay, that's for part A, but we need to state the reason. So the reason is AAA. Okay, so first A, the dark pink first. Okay, so triangle angle of BEC is equals to angle of AFC. Okay, so BEC and AFC, and the reason is corresponding angle is used for parallel lines. Okay, the angles in between the parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines here, so corresponding angles, the reason. The second one, the purple one, so angle of EBC is equals to angle of FAC, and it's also corresponding angles. This is your second A. So the last A, the third A, common angle there. Okay, so angle of BCE is equals to angle of ACF. Okay, because they share or common angles. Okay, I hope you remember this everything that I taught you guys, because it seems like a repeated kind of questions, right? Okay, that's for part A. Now let's look at part B. Name another pair of similar triangles in the figure. Okay, so this another pair of triangles, two triangles that are similar. Okay, can you see that? Okay, I will just erase here so that you won't confuse. Okay, the hint here is the parallel. Okay, if you can see this pair, this triangle pair with this triangle. Okay, since it's parallel line, because of angle. The reason is also angle because of the parallel lines. Angle, these two, this pair same, the other pair also same. This one common angle. Right? So we can say that they are similar triangle because of the angle. So since we only need to name another pair of similar triangles, so triangle of ABE, okay, first, second, third, parallel with first, second, third as well. Okay, parallel, similar. similar with the triangle of ACD. Okay, so that's for part B. Part C. Find the values of x, y, and z. Okay, so now since we have to look for x, y, z, okay, I'll erase this again. Okay, so to find x, we use the previous similar triangles. Okay, this one with this. Okay, so this 30 you can compare with 50. Okay, so it's when we write down, you can compare this triangle and the small triangle CEB from here, and the big one FAC. Okay, this is 25 and AC is 50, 30 plus 20. Okay, and BC is already given, which is 30. Okay, and this is X. Okay, so now I compare AF and BE, and then I compare BC with AC. Okay, so if I were to write down the working, okay, the pink one will be 25 over X. Okay, the pink one, 25 over X, is equals to the ratio of the purple one. Okay, 50 over 30. Why is it for 50? Because 20 plus 30. Okay, so then we can simplify 0, 0 cut, and then we can find X, which is equals to 25 times 3 over 5, and it's 15 centimeter. Okay, that's X. Okay, now let's find Y. Okay, to find Y, X we already found, which is 15, right? So now we have to find Y using the other pair of the similar triangles, this one and this one over here. Okay, if I were to draw it out again, this one is AEB, and the big one ACD. Okay, they are similar because of the angle. Okay, now I label. So EB is X, X is already found, which is 15, and the AB is 20, AC again is 50, because 20 plus 30, and DC is Y. Okay, now we can compare AB with AC and BE with CD. Okay, so the red one first, 20 over 50, or the blue one first also can, 20 over 50, the red one is equals to the blue one, which is 15 over Y, and then simplify, find Y, which is 5 times 15 over 2, and your Y is 37.5. Okay, so that's how we find Y. So now let's find Z. Okay, let's find Z. Okay, using the same triangle, same pair of triangles here. Okay, so now Y we already found 37.5. I'll use back these two triangles here to find Z. Okay, because Z is this, AE is Z. Okay, since it's unknown, I'll write in red pen. Okay, Z, and AD, A to D is 37 and Z, which means 37 plus Z. Okay, so now we compare. Okay, so how to compare the yellow one AE with the AD? Okay, so the yellow one is Z over AD, which is 37 plus Z, and it's equals to 20 over 50, the red one. Or you want to use the blue one also can, but I don't like the blue one because got decimal places 37.5 here. Okay, so now we do this algebra to find Z. Okay, we simplify first, and it's 205, and then we cross multiply. So here is 2 times 37 plus Z bracket, and it's equals to 5 times Z here. Okay, this one side, and this one at one side. Okay, so after that, what we do is we you can expand this. 74 plus 2z and is equals to 5z. And then the 2z move to the other side, become minus, so 5z minus 2z equals to 74. So 5z minus 2z is 3z equals to 74. So z is equals to 74 over 3. Okay, so which is 24, 2 over 3 equals to z. That is the answer for z. Okay, so that's for question number 6. Okay, so let's look at question number 7. Identify two pairs of similar triangles in the figure. Okay, let's figure out their parallel lines over here. Okay, so this triangle, since it's a 90 degree, definitely this is parallel because of the 90 degree. Huh? So this one, the purple one, okay, similar with the blue one. The purple one with the blue one, okay. And the light pink, CFG with the dark pink. Okay, so there are two pairs here, the blue one and the purple one. So the blue one here is okay, erase it. So the purple one first, this one is AEF, triangle of AEF is similar with triangle of the big one, which is ABC. They did not ask you to state the reason, but we know that it's similar because of the angle. Okay, three angles are the same. 90 degrees already given. This one is common angle and the other two is corresponding angle, so AAA makes them similar. Okay, so the other pair is this one, CFG with the big one, CAD. Okay, so triangle of CFG is similar with triangle of CAD. Okay, because of the angle as well, because this one common angle and this one corresponding angle and the other one is also corresponding angle, so we have three pairs of equal angles. Okay, so let's do part B. Find the ratio of AF to FC. Okay, so we will use the first pair. Okay, the first pair, which is AEF. Okay, AEF, right angle with 12 here, and the big one ABC. Okay, 12 and 18. So we need to find ratio of AF. AF is the yellow one, and FC, hold on, FC is this part over here, the small little one, which is this part over here. But before that, we need to find the whole thing first, A to C. Okay, we need to compare AF and AC before we find this FC. Okay, so the ratio of AF over AC is also equals to the yellow one with the purple one, which is EF over BC. Okay, so AF AC we are not given. AF, if we ratio with AC, is equals to 12 over 18. After you simplify, you will get 2 over 3. Okay, so AF to AC is 2 over 3. You can actually write in this form, AC to AF to AC is equals to 2 dot dot 3. Also can. Or in this way also same. Okay, 2 to 3. But now the question is asking for AF to FC. Okay, we know that AF, the ratio is 2 to 3. Okay, if the ratio of AF to AC is 2 to 3, 2 to the whole thing 3, it means that AF will be 2, FC will be only 1, because since AC is 3, so FC is 1. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Okay, again, if AF, the ratio of AF to AC is 2 to 3, it means FC is 1 because 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so the question is asking for AF to FC. So AF ratio to FC is 2 to 1. This is the answer for B. Okay. So for part C, find the value of x. Okay, let's find out. This one we will use the other pair of similar triangle. Okay, the other pair of similar triangle. Okay, I'll do it here. See, which is this CFG with the big one. Which is CAD, and we label 12 here x, and we know that the ratio of AF to FC is 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Okay, this is only the ratio. I circle it, means the ratio. So the ratio of FCAC is the same as FGAD, right? The yellow one and also the blue one. Okay, so when we write the ratio of FC to AC is equals to the ratio of FG to AD. So FC is 1, AC is 2, according to here. Okay, is equals to FG, which is x, and AD is 12. Oh, by the way, AC is supposed to be 3. Okay, AC is supposed to be 3. Sorry, it's supposed to be 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. So this one is supposed to be 3. Okay, because AF is 2. But now when we draw this is AC. Unless if it's AF, then it's 2. Okay, this is AC, so it's 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So FC is 1, AC is 3. Then we can cross multiply. Our x is equals to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So our x is 4 centimeter. Okay, so that's all from me today. Thank you. See you guys next week. Bye.